How to hide a chat on emo. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to hide someone's chat from your emo account, then here's the easy guide that you can do. Super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to hide your emo chat, simply go and open up the emo app from your phone. Now go and select the person who you want to hide the chat for. So let's say I just want to hide the unknown call, this one. So now to do that, all you have to do, first thing first, you just need to go to the profile at the top left. Now from the profile, tap on security and privacy. Now once you're here inside this point, you'll get to see the invisible friend. You can tap on invisible friend and you'll get to see by shaking your phone, you can easily hide someone's chat from the list. Now to do that, you just need to tap on add invisible friends. You can tap on add. Now we'll get to see all the list of your friend list. Now also you can search the name right over here, and once you get the person, go and select the person, and once it gets selected, tap on done. And you just need to set a passcode for the invisible friend. So go ahead and set a passcode the way you want. I'm gonna do it for twice, and once you set the passcode, just go ahead and tap on enable. So you can set the biometric lock if you want to. So I'm not gonna do this one, I'm gonna do it later. Tap on done and you're pretty much good to go. From now, if I get back to the chat, he'll get to see the person is right here. So if I shake my phone a little bit, he'll get to see that the person has been hidden from the list. And now to unhide the person, at the bottom right, he'll get to see the source option. You can tap on this, and from here, just go ahead and type hashtag, and you just need to enter the pin code that you have set it up recently. So I'm going to enter the pin code right over here, and once you do that, he'll get to see the hide hidden option. You can unhide the chat, and once you do that, he'll get to see the chat has been get back to the normal. And this is how you can hide someone's chat in the emo. Hope you found this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.